Life is fly when you DIY with Miriam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can see what's coming next. Part 2. I am painting here now. I'm doing the bottom so that when I turn it over, the bottom will be done and I won't have to do the bottom. So, making sure the bottom is done good. Then after this, I'll turn it over and do the top, but I'm gonna do the bottom now. So I finished up the last few chairs, and this is the before. Check out the after. Oh my God, I am so pleased with this project. This DIY was really not a challenge at all, but really nice. I love it. Now I have to figure out what I'm gonna put in the center of the table. I don't know, but don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. More to come. Thank you for watching.